Welcome everyone to 100 subscribers special video. My YouTube channel viewers have asked me how I draw the Excel option payoff chart for the option strategies like short triangle and short straddle. Before I show the steps to draw the Excel chart, I want to show you my trading account. You are viewing my real-time payoff chart in my trading account. Please note that when you trade with the popular Indian stockbrokers, they provide this payoff chart in real time. No need to draw manually in Excel sheet. But of course there may be a small monthly charge for it. For example, Zerodha broker charge a fee for providing this sensible option trader tool, which gives a lot of option trading functionalities. But I am not using it as of now. I draw my own option payoff chart in Excel and update manually. Let us draw the chart now. In every chart there is x-axis and y-axis. In the Nifty options payoff chart, y-axis is loss or profit and the x-axis is Nifty points. Crossing lines on the x-axis will be break-even point of the short triangle strategy. I open Google Excel sheet now. To start the drawing of chart. Okay. But before drawing the chart, we need to assume some data because we need data, right? So I am assuming the Nifty would trade between 14,000 to 16,000 and the chart I am going to draw is Nifty short triangle option strategy, and I have sold Nifty strike prices at the 14,600 and 15,400, and I am assuming currently the Nifty is trading at 15,000. Okay, so my sold strike prices are 150. Okay, so I need to put the range x-axis data from 14,000 to 16,000. I am going to enter this 14,000 to 16,000 and increasing by 100 data points. If you want more accuracy, you can reduce this to jump by 50 or 25 points, but I have jumped 100 points. Okay. Now we need the y-axis data. So how you will calculate the y-axis data? You need to add the profit or loss from the put option and call option, because you have not sold any one, you have sold both, so you need to combine this to understand what is the profit or loss totally. So first let us take the put option. So if the expiry is at 14,000, then definitely you will be in loss because your strike price was 14,600 sold strike price. Now you need to buy it back. So how should be the condition? If the 14,000 is less than the 14,600, then you have the obligation to buy it back. Okay, buy it with loss. How much is the loss? The loss is difference between 14,600 minus 14,000. Okay, and you have got 150 premium amount by selling it, so they will return it back. So what is the total loss? 600 minus 450 is your loss. Okay, 450 is your loss. So you need to enter this as a formula so that Excel can understand. So there is a if condition. If 14,000 is less than the 14,600, then you need to pay the 450 rupees. Okay, this is for the call option also it is same. So if the strike price is less than if the Nifty is less than the strike price 15,400, then you will get your sold premium amount. But if it is more, then you will lose. So I just drag this down. Fine, I have done it, and also I am drag this down. Good. But a point to note is when you drag down, I have made this fixed. Strike price and the premium amount has fixed using the F4 key. Okay, you see the dollar symbol. So you need to bring this, otherwise the formula will not work. Only the Nifty point will change. Okay, fine. Now I got the total y-axis data and I am converting this to rupees. This is point, 300 point is the loss, but I am converting this to rupees, 22,500. Okay, now I got the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so I am selecting the y-axis data for the chart. Please remember that when you draw the chart, Google by default takes the y-axis data. So I have selected the y-axis data first, and you are able to see the chart icon, right? I highlight the chart icon. This is the chart icon in Google Excel sheet. So I am highlighting that. I am clicking on that now. Done. Your drawing of chart is done. But don't look at the chart. You need to complete these many setups. Then finally look at the chart. Okay. The first thing I want to see is the background color should be yellow or any other color. For me, yellow is vibrant, so it gives a nice look. I will be able to follow the points quickly. Now I am coming to the setup. You see only the y-axis data is there. Now we need to add the x-axis data. I am clicking on the x-axis data and I am clicking on the date range. I believe you are able to watch this. Okay. So I add this point. Okay. So now I have added the x-axis and y-axis was already added. Fine. Now I go to the customize. Okay, and there are lot of functionalities you can play around this. Okay, chart size you can change, chart title you can change. I can change this title to payoff chart, option payoff chart, option payoff chart for short strangle strategy. Okay, you got the title. Likewise, you can play around many data. Next I am going for the series. Okay, series I am not changing anything else because my data is blue color and the x-axis data is already on the blue color. It's looking good. And the legend and the legend also I am not changing anything. Okay, I don't want to do anything else. On the vertical lines I am not changing, but if you want to change any data you can just play around it, but I have no need to do that because the chart looks okay for me. Then I want the minor grid lines. You see, when I click on the minor grid lines it comes, and also I want the ticks, major ticks. Okay, so that I can click on the chart and I understand what is the data point. Okay, fine. I think I have completed this setup. Now I am going for the chart, looking at the chart. This chart can be moved here and there. See, you can just click, drag, and you can move this chart. Nothing, no problem. You can, wherever you want, you can drag it. Okay, so I am looking at this side and okay, fine. Now if I double click on the chart, the data points are coming. You see, my highest profit is, I am just closing this, my highest profit is 22,500. So you can write again one formula here, what is the maximum profit in this range. Okay, and also you can write what is the maximum loss between this range. So you have sold two option. I mean, you have executed the short strangle, and for that short strangle your maximum profit is 22,500 and your maximum loss is 22,500 if the Nifty trades between 14,000 to 16,000. Okay, but at each point what is the profit or loss you can see. See, at the 22,500 profit, when the Nifty is at 14,800. So from 14,500 to 15,300, you have got 22,500 profit. Then your profit starts to reducing. Okay, your profit starts reducing once the Nifty goes below 14,200, and you start making losses because you have the obligation to pay it back. Your received premium is now less, but your obligation is more, so you will start making loss. This is how I draw the chart. This is for the option payoff chart. Likewise, you can draw anything. Maybe you are a student, you can draw your curriculum charts, or maybe you are working in office, you can draw your presentation charts. Okay, so we are at the end of the video. Once again, thanks for 100 subscribers. Let me know if you need any other informational video. If possible, I will make it a video. Okay, thanks. Bye everybody.